Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome to the course on Spring Boot unit testing, JUnit 5 tutorial. What is unit testing? Unit testing is one of the testing done by the developers to make sure individual unit or method or component functionalities are working fine. This testing is done by the developers to test each unit, or we can say each method or component of its functionality is working fine or not. Why JUnit? JUnit is widely used testing framework along with Java programming language. JUnit is built on idea of first testing and then coding, which helps us to increase productivity of test cases and stability of coding. These are the important features of JUnit testing. It is open source testing framework. This JUnit is an open source testing framework allowing users to write and run test cases effectively. This provides various types of annotations to identify test methods. It provides different types of assertions to verify the results of test case execution. It also gives test runners for running tests effectively. It is very simple and hence saves time. It provides ways to organize your test cases in form of test suites. It gives test case results in simple and elegant way. You can integrate JUnit with Eclipse, Android Studio, Maven and Ant, Gradle and Jenkins. This is the course roadmap. In this tutorial, we will discuss about the JUnit and its topics, and also mocking with Mockito, testing Spring MVC web apps, as well as testing Spring REST APIs. These are the prerequisites. Should have prior experience in following Java, Spring Boot and Maven. And also we should have this development environment while developing or while writing JUnit tests. We should have JDK, IntelliJ or Eclipse, Maven and MySQL database server. That's it.